What's your English level at this moment? Let's find out. In this video, I'm going to ask you 30 questions. Keep track of how many you answer correctly, because by the end, you'll have a clear idea of your CEFR level from beginner to advanced. The first 10 questions are beginner level. For each question, you'll see 3 sentences. Choose the one that is grammatically correct. Ready? Let's begin. Beginner level, questions 1, 10. Question 1. A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She not like coffee. The correct answer is B. She doesn't like coffee. Explanation. With she, we use doesn't plus base verb. Question 2. A. This exercise is more easy than the last one. B. This exercise is easier than the last one. C. This exercise is easiest than the last one. The correct answer is B. Easier than. Explanation. Short adjectives use for comparison. Question 3. A. We have a meeting at Monday. B. We have a meeting in Monday. C. We have a meeting on Monday. The correct answer is C. On Monday. Explanation. Use on for days of the week. Question 4. A. He bought a new shoes. B. He bought new shoes. C. He bought a new shoe. The correct answer is B. New shoes. Explanation. Shoes is plural, so we don't use a. Question 5. A. I am interested in music. B. I am interested in music. C. I interest in music. The correct answer is B. Interested in. Explanation. Interested describes your feeling. Question 6. A. There is many people here. B. There are many people here. C. There are much people here. The correct answer is B. There are many people here. Explanation. People is plural use, are. Question 7. A. She can drives very well. B. She can drive very well. C. She can to drive very well. The correct answer is B. Can drive. Explanation. Modal verbs are followed by base verb. Question 8. A. They didn't went to school. B. They didn't go to school. C. They didn't goes to school. The correct answer is B. Didn't go. Explanation. After did, use base verb. Question 9. A. I have lived here for 3 years. B. I live here for 3 years. C. I am living here for 3 years. The correct answer is A. Have lived. Explanation. Use present perfect for duration. Question 10. A. This is the best movie I have ever seen. B. This is the best movie I ever saw. C. This is best movie I have seen. The correct answer is A. Have ever seen. Explanation. Superlatives often use present perfect. Congratulations, you've now finished the beginner section of the test. If you got 7 or more correct, you're likely at A1 level. If you got 9 or more, you're probably at least A2. Great job so far. Now let's move on. The next 10 questions are intermediate level. Intermediate level. Questions 11, 20. Question 11. A. If I were you, I will apologize. B. If I were you, I would apologize. C. If I was you, I would apologize. The correct answer is B. Would apologize. Explanation. Second conditional. If plus past, would plus verb. Question 12. A. She suggested to leave early. B. She suggested leaving early. C. She suggested leave early. The correct answer is B. Suggested leaving. Explanation. Suggest is followed by gerund. Question 13. A. I'm used to wake up early. B. I'm used to waking up early. C. I used to wake up early. The correct answer is B. Used to waking. Explanation. Used to as a preposition gerund. Question 14. A. He speaks English very fluent. B. He speaks English very fluently. C. He speaks very fluently English. The correct answer is B. Very fluently. Explanation. Adverb modifies verb. Question 15. A. The meeting was cancelled because of the storm. B. The meeting was cancelled because the storm. C. The meeting cancelled because of storm. The correct answer is A. Because of the storm. Explanation. Because of plus noun phrase. Question 16. A. She has already finished her work. B. She already has finished her work. C. She has finished already her work. The correct answer is A. Has already finished. Explanation. Present perfect equals have plus past participle. Question 17. A. He denied to take the money. B. He denied taking the money. C. He denied take the money. The correct answer is B. Denied taking. Explanation. Deny, gerund. Question 18. A. I didn't have enough time. B. I hadn't enough time. C. I didn't had enough time. The correct answer is A. Didn't have. Explanation. After did, use base verb. Question 19. A. She has been working here since 2020. B. She is working here since 2020. C. She works here since 2020. The correct answer is A. Has been working. Explanation. Since plus starting point. Present perfect continuous. Question 20. A. Could you give me a hand? B. Could you give me hand? C. Could you give a hand me? The correct answer is A. Give me a hand. Explanation. Fixed expression. Excellent work. You've completed the intermediate section. If you got 7 or more correct, you're likely around B1. If you got 9 or more, you're probably at B2 level. Now it's time for the final section. These last 10 questions are advanced level. Advanced level. Questions 21-30. Question 21. A. Hardly had we arrived when it started raining. B. Hardly we had arrived when it started raining. C. Hardly did we arrived when it started raining. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Inversion after hardly. Question 22. A. Not until later did she realize the mistake. B. Not until later she realized the mistake. C. Not until later did she realize the mistake. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Negative phrase inversion. Question 23. A. By next year, she will have completed the course. B. By next year, she completes the course. C. By next year, she will completed the course. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Future perfect for completed action before future time. Question 24. A. Having finished the report, he left. B. Finished the report, he left. C. Having finished the report, he left. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Participle clause requires past participle. Question 25. A. He insisted that she leave immediately. B. He insisted that she leaves immediately. C. He insisted that she left immediately. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Subjunctive form after insist. Question 26. A. The plan didn't work out as expected. B. The plan didn't work as expected out. C. The plan didn't outwork as expected. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Correct phrasal verb order. Question 27. A. She is such an inspiring leader. B. She is so an inspiring leader. C. She is such inspiring leader. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Such plus adjective plus noun. Question 28. A. He was completely taken aback. B. He was completely taken back. C. He was completely taken aback. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Fixed expression meaning shocked. Question 29. A. No matter how difficult it seems, keep going. B. No matter how difficult seems it, keep going. C. No matter how it seems difficult, keep going. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Correct clause structure. Question 30. A. The results were far more impressive than we expected. B. The results were very more impressive. C. The results were more impressive very. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Far more intensifies comparison. Congratulations! You've successfully completed the advanced section of the test. If you got 7 or more correct, you're likely at C1 level. If you got 9 or more, you may be approaching C2. Great job for finishing all 30 questions. So, what's your score? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning English. I'll see you in the next test.